Hello and welcome to ThePrint. I'm Akanksha Mishra and this is Scientifix, where I will be taking you through this week's top science news from across the world. Our first story today is evidence of how evolution is never a straight line but a messy process that has many different branches, and we'll always be learning new things about it. A new discovery of fossils in Ethiopia's Afar region has rewritten how we view ancient human history and evolution. An international team of scientists working with Arizona State University's Ledi Gararu research project has unearthed 13 fossil teeth that seem to belong to a newly identified species of Australopithecus. What is more, this species is shown to have lived side by side with Homo sapiens between 2.6 to 2.8 million years ago. Until now, the Australopithecus afarensis species, which is most popularly known because of the Lucy skeleton's discovery, was thought to have vanished around 2.95 million years ago. But these teeth prove that another branch of the genus persisted and even coexisted with the earliest Homo sapiens. The fossils were precisely dated using volcanic ash layers, locking them into this critical window in prehistory. What did these species eat? Did they compete or did they coexist peacefully? The answers currently remain buried, awaiting more fossils to tell the whole story. Next, NASA and Penn State researchers have analyzed signals that we send to deep space. Scientists are currently asking the questions: if aliens are looking for us, where should they point their antennas? A new study by Penn State and NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory finds that powerful radio transmissions that humans send to space are most detectable during planetary alignments. Analyzing 20 years of logs from NASA's Deep Space Network, researchers found that most signals by us are directed towards Mars and telescopes near the Sun-Earth Lagrange points. From the perspective of a distant star system, when Earth and Mars align, there's a 77% chance that our transmissions could be intercepted and detected by any aliens that could be looking for us. NASA's JPL's Joseph Lazio said in a press statement that these are humanity's strongest, most persistent radio signals in the universe. The study suggests that now we should reverse this logic and we should look for alien signals near those planetary alignments, since that's where our strongest messages go to. The next story for today is about a widely trusted painkiller which is called Tylenol in the US and Paracetamol in India being under new scrutiny. Researchers at the Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai report that prenatal exposure to this drug, which is scientifically called acetaminophen, may raise the risk of autism spectrum and ADHD disorder in children. However, it is not direct research by the scientists. This study by Mount Sinai, published in BMC Environmental Health, analyzed 46 other studies with data from over 100,000 participants worldwide. Using the gold standard navigation guide review method, the team found that the strongest, most rigorous studies amongst these consistently showed a link between prenatal acetaminophen use and neurodevelopmental disorders. Paracetamol is taken by more than half of pregnant women globally, crosses the placenta, and may disrupt hormones, cause oxidative stress, and interfere with the fetal brain development. But again, this research is based on an analysis of previous research done by scientists and is not an independent analysis. The authors still stress that the drug should only be used cautiously, under medical supervision, and for limited periods. But what is more necessary is clinical research on the impact of paracetamol on pregnant women that could more clearly establish this link. Next up, have you ever wondered why some people stay sharp and active into their 90s while others face memory loss, frailty, or chronic illness decades earlier? New research led by the University of Colorado in Boulder offers answers. Published in Nature Genetics, this study identifies more than 400 genes in the human body that are linked to accelerated aging. This is much more than the 37 genes that we initially thought influenced aging. By analyzing DNA from hundreds of thousands of people, scientists reveal that different sets of genes drive different types of unhealthy aging, from cognitive decline to mobility problems to social isolation. According to lead author Isabella Foote, this is the largest genetic study yet of frailty. She also added that to treat aging related diseases, we first need to understand the biology of aging itself. The findings support the geroscience hypothesis, which says that we must treat aging, not just its diseases. While one single anti-aging pill may remain out of reach, targeted therapies tailored to specific frailty types could be much closer. That's all we have for you today. Thank you for tuning to The Print.